Hello and welcome to today's video. As you can see, Fatima has her credit card out. So go and share this video with all your friends and tell them that the camel made you buy it. Because a camel purchased some interesting items from Sephora. So without further yakety yak, let's get on into this video. I got a sample from Fresh. Yes, and this is something I've not heard of before. This is the Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Cream. So I'm going to have to give this a little try and see if it's something I want to purchase in its regular size. I also got a sample from Briogeo. This is shampoo and conditioner and deep conditioner. I've used their products before. I've enjoyed most of them. Some of them had a little bit of a perfumed scent for me, but for the most part, I have enjoyed most of them. And this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And we have a super moisture shampoo and conditioner and a deep conditioning mask. And based on the size of these packages, I always find that I can get 2 to 3 uses out of each little package. The camel found something that I like, which is the package of 50 cotton. I'm going to call them rounds. Technically, I think they're rectangular shape, but I use these a lot. I also got the Sweet Fitty from Drunk Elephant. Yes, this is a liquid to cream deodorant that is liked by someone else in this household, and so he will be very happy that we have some Sweet Pity for him. Oh, yes. I know what Anne likes. She likes this one because it smells like hot buttered popcorn. Yes, this smells like hot buttered popcorn. This is the Sol Janeiro Coco Cabana Moisturizing Body Cream Cleanser. And I like this one. It's in my probably top 5 body washes, body scrubs, body cleansers. This is a winner. We are halfway through my haul. What do you like? Leave us a comment below. I found an eyeshadow primer that Anne likes to use from Urban Decay. This is Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I've tried others, and I'm finding that this, I think, is going to be my preferred eyeshadow primer. So excited to get another one of these. Good job, Camel. Thank you. Fatima found 2 facial masks for me to try. One has vitamin C, which I imagine that is for brightening. And the other one has vitamin B3. And I don't think I've tried that one before. And it has dragon fruit, which is one of my favorite things to have in a beverage. Not that I would recommend eating this, yet this ought to be an interesting test. So keep your eyes peeled on my channel. I might have some first impression videos or first impression shorts of these 2 items. I found another Drunk Elephant product. We have not tried this one before. True, I have not tried this particular Drunk Elephant item. This is the Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser, and it has kiwi strawberry seed blend and virgin marula oil. So this is a nice size. This is, what is this? 3.88 ounces. So this is a nice size product, should last a while. It comes with a scoop. And I like the way, I don't know how well this is showing up, I like the way that the scoop connects on to the top of the packaging so that it won't get lost. And as an added bonus, Drunk Elephant included their bamboo booster. And this is something along the lines of a exfoliating serum. I did notice in the fine print it said if you're using a retinol that you should not use this at the same time. Right now I'm not using a retinol, so this will also be tested out and hopefully will be a winner. So what did you see in the second part of the haul that you liked? I'm pretty pleased with everything that Fatima found. Thank you. I like shopping. Yes, we have noticed. You taught me well. I guess I did. Looking at some of the nitty-gritty on this one, the face masks were $11. That was for the two of them. The elephant cleanser was $34. The cotton pads were $4.50. The Coco Cabana cleanser was $10. The Sweet Pity deodorant was $16. And the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer was $16. And just for reference, apparently that is a mini size, which for me is plenty big enough. So all in, that was $91.50. We were able to use some points. Yes, use points when you can. And so that took $10 off the price. The shipping was free. We did have to pay tax. You can't get away from taxes. No, you can't. So all in, this haul was $87.81. So if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. It would give you the opportunity to see some of the more wild and crazy adventures that the camel and I get into. We have some fun times there. That we do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Remember to tell them, the camel said to buy it. The camel made me buy it. And we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.